The landscape surrounding Social Security and Medicare has been evolving, with Senator Sheldon Whitehouse stepping into the spotlight as he advocates for comprehensive legislative measures to secure the future of these vital programs. A prominent figure in this arena, Senator Whitehouse is pushing forward his own piece of legislation, aptly named the Medicare and Social Security Fair Share Act. Within the intricate web of these legislative efforts lies a set of core principles that are poised to reshape the trajectory of Social Security and Medicare. The heart of the matter lies in preserving the solvency of these programs while ensuring that benefits remain intact for current and future generations. The Medicare and Social Security Fair Share Act is designed to extend the solvency of both Medicare and Social Security by a substantial 20-year estimate. This ambitious endeavor seeks to address the pressing concern of potential shortfalls that loom on the horizon. The impending reality of a potential shortfall within the next decade has led to apprehension among citizens, with forecasts predicting that only 75% to 80% of the benefits could be met. This situation would inevitably entail across-the-board cuts of 20% to 25% for all recipients if no corrective actions are taken. At the crux of Senator Whitehouse's legislation lies a pivotal requirement for individuals with incomes surpassing the $400,000 threshold to contribute their equitable share to the funding of these programs. Presently, the cap on Social Security taxes permits affluent taxpayers to evade taxes on wages exceeding a specific ceiling. The legislation endeavors to recalibrate this dynamic, levying Social Security taxes on higher incomes and thus fostering an environment of fairness and equity. However, the legislative discourse doesn't merely revolve around taxation restructuring. It also delves into a nuanced realm of eliminating tax discrepancies and closing loopholes that favor high-income earners. These individuals, particularly those who own pass-through businesses, have had the ability to sidestep Medicare taxes and net investment income taxes through clever accounting strategies. Senator Whitehouse's legislation seeks to rectify this imbalance, ensuring that those who earn more than $400,000 contribute proportionally to Medicare and Social Security based on their pass-through business income. A distinct divergence from the legislative proposal put forth by Senator Whitehouse is the Social Security Expansion Act championed by Senator Bernie Sanders. This alternative pathway aims to bolster recipients' financial security by providing an additional $2,400 annually or $200 per month, an enhancement that could have a transformative impact on the lives of beneficiaries across the spectrum. The urgency of these legislative measures has been underscored by recent events and statements. Senator Whitehouse emphasizes that Social Security and Medicare remain pillars of economic equity within the United States. President Biden's State of the Union address, which highlighted the Republican assault on these programs, sparked fervent debate and compelled both sides of the aisle to confront these issues head-on. However, unity on the matter was short-lived, as discussions within the Senate Budget Committee laid bare stark differences in perspectives. The testimony of a Republican witness, who surprisingly asserted that Social Security payments were excessively high, crystallized the varying viewpoints on the matter. Looking ahead, the overarching goal remains solidifying these programs as their solvency reaches a critical juncture. The potential for insolvency by 2034 has prompted Senator Whitehouse and others to advocate for swift and effective remedies. The proposed solution is elegantly simple, aligning high-income earners' tax contributions with the same percentage applied to lower and middle-income workers. This measure carries the potential to extend the solvency of Social Security by an impressive 75 years, as projected by the Social Security actuary. A parallel evaluation is underway by the Medicare actuary to assess the extension of Medicare's solvency. The debate encompasses more than just financial concerns. It delves into the broader notion of economic security and social welfare. In navigating this complex terrain, Senator Whitehouse acknowledges the challenges posed by political division. Nonetheless, he remains resolute in his determination to champion these legislative efforts, aiming to confront Republican opposition and shore up the foundations of Social Security and Medicare. Amid these discussions, a recurring theme revolves around the adequacy of benefits for retirees. With an increasing number of seniors grappling to sustain their lives on fixed income benefits, there is a growing call for enhancements.